The Real Estate Bill 2013 of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation provides for a uniform regulatory environment to protect consumer interests, to help in speedy adjudication of disputes, and to ensure orderly growth of the real estate sector, and it has been much awaited by all aspiring home buyers. The bill, once enacted, will lead to establishment of Real Estate Regulatory Authority and Real Estate Appellate Tribunal in every state for registration of all real estate projects and for speedier dispute resolution. Mandatory registration will help in money trail and in curbing money laundering. Stringent penalties have been sought to be imposed on the habitual offenders. This, it is believed, will act as a deterrent for those few erring builders who bring bad name to the developer community at large. The project details have to be made mandatorily publicized in the website of the local authority with all due permission.
रजिस्ट्रेशन अब तक न होने से तो जो कोई भी आता था वो रियल एस्टेट में हो गया और बिना उसको देखे हुए लोगों ने खरीद भी लिए तो उनके साथ अन्याय हो जाता था। अब आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन जब आवश्यक हो जाएगा तो और ट्रांसपेरेंसी होगी तो एक कंज्यूमर को राहत मिलेगी। दूसरी बात है कि उसके सामने सारी बातें तय होगी कि किस तरह से उसका साथ लेन देन का किया जा रहा है। अब तक जो है उसमें उस तरह का कोई ब्यौरा उसमें नहीं होता था।
The bill will bring out standardization in the sector, leading to health and orderly growth of the industry through introduction of definitions such as apartment, common areas, carpet area, advertisement, real estate project, prospectus, etc. The real estate bill ensured that once the design for a building has been approved, no other building could come up in its place. The bill has made it mandatory for the builder to open an exclusive bank account for a particular project and invest the consumer's money in it. Also, the builder won't be able to employ the money for any other purpose, and all the data relating to the construction, including the fiscal details, have to be handed over to the local authority. Thus, the bill also ensures timely completion of projects, thereby preventing fund diversion.
उस बिल के आने के बाद कीमतों की बढ़ोतरी नहीं होनी चाहिए, बल्कि कीमतों की सुनिश्चितता निश्चित होनी चाहिए कि कीमत ना बढ़े और अफोर्डेबल हाउसेज जो जिन लोगों के पास मकान नहीं है उनको मिल सके। देखिए हमारी जो योजना है उसमें जेएनआरईओ के तहत इतने सारे दिए 32 मिलियन लोगों को डायरेक्टली या इनडायरेक्टली आज का जो रियल एस्टेट है वो उनको फीड करता है, उनको उन लोगों को बचाता है 32 मिलियन को।
However, the builders have unanimously argued that it would be difficult to carry out any project if time is lost by way of formalities after an expensive area of land has been brought for a project. The builders have also said that if the ministry takes an initiative to provide all the requisite permits through single window clearance, they would be able to serve the customers better.
Satisfied family member is always productive, is always helpful, is always supportive. और इस बिल के अंदर एक प्रोसेस स्ट्रीमलाइन किया गया है जिसकी वजह से हर एक डेवलपर ये ध्यान रखेगा इन पर्टिकुलर कि उसका कंज्यूमर खुश, satisfied घर जाए।
The real estate bill is a major step by the government which will coordinate it to iron out the inconsistencies prevalent in the system. The Union Cabinet has recently approved it and as many as 22 states have welcomed it with open arms. With Bureau Inputs, Nasbeen and Sudhir Yadav's report, DD News.